the radio. If I'm right, they'll say it is too slow. This one may not ever make it outside these four walls, I take it. This one won't be on the radio, but I'm gonna sing it anyway, as if my last breath was today. It's way past due that I write just for you. I've been distracted by what can't compare to you, 'cause you're worth every note, every struggle and pain, every refrain. Inside of this lonely hotel room reminds me of your cold and empty tomb. The sun shines through the window pane, reminding me you rose again inside of this lonely hotel room. And I'm gonna sing my lonesome song, remembering you're with me through the storm. It's way past due that I write just for you. I've been distracted by what can't compare to you, 'cause you're worth every note, every heartache and pain, every refrain. It's way past due that I write just for you. I've been distracted by what can't compare to